We all got curious and some got excited when Ilford introduced their new 5th generation papers back in October 2019. Ilford have now launched a brand new portfolio paper using their 5th generation emulsion that has been completely reformulated to offer some important advancements in product quality and performance. At the moment it's only available in a pearl surface finish, and the 10 by 16 cm postcard size papers will no longer have the printed back. Ilford say that compared to its predecessor, the new portfolio papers have a slightly warmer base tint and image colour, better deeper blacks, improved mid-grade spacing for easier printing and more consistent contrast throughout the tonal range. And they have sent me a box to try out. And there it is, Ilford's new multi-grade RC portfolio paper. This is pearl, it's the only one that they're doing at the moment, and I believe that this is the only size that they've got out other than the postcard size. This is 10 by 8 paper, 25 sheets, and they launched it today. So if you jump on there, today's the 19th of January, if you jump onto the Ilford's website, I'll put a link in the description of this video. You guys can jump on there and read all about it yourselves. And that is Ilford's 5th generation that they released, I believe, back in October of 2019. I've been using that quite a bit recently, and you will remember some prints I was doing the other day in the darkroom. You remember that one? This was on the portfolio paper. Look at that. The weight of it is unbelievable. It's like a wobble board compared to normal papers. It's just really nice, you know. I just love the weight of it. And even going far back as when I was shooting the Longstone on the Isle of Wight, these were all done on that portfolio as well. I was just testing the paper out, and I quite like the results. And also my daughter Jess, remember I did a portrait of her a couple of weeks ago? That was on the portfolio paper too. And yeah, it's nice. So let's get on and make a couple of prints from a shoot that I did a few weeks ago down at Newtown Creek, and I'll let you guys see the papers after. So I finished my darkroom session. I made 3 prints. The first one you saw me make, I remade another one. I just didn't like the way I burned it in a little tiny bit, but I'll show you that in a second. That was the last one I made there. And you know, just as you expect from Ilford, they have quality products, and this paper produces lovely tones like all their other papers do. I'll have to play around with it a little bit more to, you know, to really sort of compare it to their other papers for a real sort of idea of how it fits in with my darkroom work, if you like. But I do love the weight of the paper. Look at that. And I can imagine, like I said, if you're walking around and you're showing people your portfolio, this stuff's quite robust, and the weight of it is quite impressive, especially for framing as well. When you put it in a frame, you know yourself, some papers start to wrinkle, but nice, I like it. And the second one, that was the first one, sorry, that I did, and that came out really nice. Bags of tone, nice and sharp. The blacks are nice and black. Everything's there that you expect, you know. But like I said, the paper, like a wobble board. And the middle one that I printed there, which was the beach hut itself, I had a little go with that one. Little tiny bit of burning around this area, a little tiny bit of dodging, and I come out with a nice print. But again, you know, nice tones, no complaint whatsoever. And like I said in the previous videos I've been doing, I've actually been printing on the Ilford's portfolio paper, but I was just getting used to it and playing around. So that's one of my daughter there, like I showed you. That was one of the Longstone that I did. Little bit of haloing going on with that one, we all know about that if you saw the video. And the flowers that I did the other day was also on the paper as well. These were shot on ortho film, guys. All these ones were shot on ortho film. And yeah, I'm impressed, and I'm glad that, you know, these companies are coming out with new ideas and new emulsions and new technologies for us geeks to carry on shooting film and having fun. And that's what it's all about at the end of the day. You know, I'm just grateful that these companies are still making stuff for us to play with, you know, and keeping film alive and keeping it going. Good for them. So anyway, guys, that's my try with Ilford's new multi-grade resin coated Pearl portfolio paper. And I've told you the rest about it in the video. They've launched it today. Jump on their website. I'll put the link in the description below. You can read up more about it yourself. Grab yourself a batch of paper and see what you think. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.